Welcome judges to the new ILMEA platform. Here you can create a new account. District presidents will be able to view your account and have you participate as a judge in our district festival process. To begin, you may go to ilmea.org and select the Nominate button in the upper right-hand corner. You can also reach the login page by typing nominate.ilmea.org. On this login page, you'll find that you have 3 potential roles: an educator, a judge, or an administrator. Even if you have other logins associated with the administrator role or educator role, you will have to select judge and create a new account. You can create a new account by going to the bottom of the page where it says click here to get started. Please enter your personal information as well as set your password. If you should forget your password in the future, password recovery is available on this platform. Once this information is complete, please select Register. You will then be prompted to check your email to confirm your registration link. Again, from here, after you confirm your email link in your own email inbox, district presidents can select you to participate in adjudication. You can be assigned to more than one district. So if you've communicated your desire to judge in more than one district with a district president, you only need one login to have all of that happen. Once you log in with your judges portal, there will be nothing visible to you at this time. District presidents are completing their judge rosters, selecting judges into those pools, and also releasing the rubrics the morning of the district festival auditions. At that point in time, you will be able to log in to that judges portal using that information that you've created on this account and view the individual student rubrics for each of the students that you will hear that day for the audition. Should you have any questions regarding the login for this nomination platform, please email support@ilmea.org. Thank you, and we hope you have a wonderful festival season.